If you're a content creator, you've probably experienced this nightmare. You download a copyright-free song from platforms like Pixabay or Pexels, use it in your video, and then bam, you get hit with a copyright claim on YouTube or Facebook. Or worse, your video gets taken down entirely. It's frustrating because these platforms promise royalty-free music, but the reality is you don't actually own those songs, and that puts your content at risk. What if I told you there's a way to create custom songs that you own forever? Songs that are 100% yours with zero copyright worries, and you don't need any music production skills whatsoever. But before I show you how, listen briefly to this song first.
Soft night, spilling through the curtains. Your name resting on my tongue. Bare feet, tracing constellations on the carpet. You breathe, and all the chaos comes undone. Under these quiet I fall into you. Every aching part of me reaching through. If this is all we ever are, let me stay here in your arms, burning slow. Your hands, learning every fragile secret. One kiss and all my guidelines drift. Moonlight draws a silver halo on your shoulder. I tremble at how gentle love can hit. Under these quiet stars, I fall into you. Every aching part of me reaching through. If this is all we ever are, let me stay here in your arms, burning slow. Under these quiet stars, say my name like a promise you are keeping. Hold me close like the night is always leaving. If morning comes and the sky pulls us apart, I'll still be there, pressed against your heart. Under these quiet stars, I fall into you. Every aching part of me reaching through. If this is all we ever are, let me stay here in your arms, burning slow. Under these quiet stars.
Pretty good, right? Now here's the thing. I created that entire song by simply chatting with an AI music agent using natural language. No music theory, no expensive software, no complicated tools. Just a conversation. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do, step by step. So if you're ready to create unlimited custom songs for your videos that you'll own forever, let's dive in. First, head over to Tunesona's official website. Once you're on the home page, simply click on Start Free Now and create your account. After your account is set up, you'll land on a clean, user-friendly dashboard. And this is where the magic happens. Tunesona is an AI music agent that plans, creates, and refines music in one intelligent workflow. Everything you need in one place. You'll see several powerful options right in front of you. Create lyrics, create songs, create instrumental, write lyrics, and generate style. Now here's the best part. Everything is fully customizable. You're in complete control. You can choose your own lyric style, music genre, vocal type, vocal gender, and tons of other creative settings to match exactly what you're looking for. For this tutorial, let's click on Create Lyrics Song. Now, all you need to do is enter a prompt. You can write this yourself, or if you want, you can generate it using ChatGPT or any AI writing tool to save time. Once you hit submit, the magic begins. Within just a few seconds, your song starts generating. And here's what's cool. Over on the side panel, you can watch everything unfold in real time. The lyrics, the style, the vocals, the structure, it's all there. This platform gives you complete creative control, allowing you to produce professional quality AI music with ease, even if you've never touched a music production tool in your life. Within moments, your song is fully generated and ready to use. Just click on the track to preview it instantly.
Soft night, spilling through the curtains, your name resting on my tongue, bare feet, tracing constellations on the carpet. You breathe, and all the chaos comes undone. Under these quiet stars, I fall into you. Every aching part of me reaching through. If this is all we ever are, let me stay here in your arms. Soft night, spilling through the curtains, your name resting on my tongue, bare feet, tracing constellations on the carpet. You breathe, and all the chaos comes undone. Under these quiet stars, I fall into you. Every aching part of me reaching through. If
Once you're satisfied with your song, you can download it in multiple formats. Tunesona gives you several options: MP3, WAV, and other high-quality formats, so you can choose whatever works best for your project. But here's where it gets really powerful. You can also generate a video using this music. Watch what happens when I click on Generate Video. The platform automatically converts your audio into a video format. This means you can download your song as a ready-to-upload video file, perfect for YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or any other platform. No extra editing needed. Now, let's explore another feature: create instrumental music. This is a completely different workflow, and it's incredibly powerful. When we click on this option, all we need to do is paste our prompt here, and the instrumental creation process starts immediately. Within moments, your instrumental track is generated. Let's preview it a bit. And just like before, you can customize almost everything according to your creative vision. This gives you full control to design background music that fits your exact needs. Once the music is generated, downloading is simple. Just click on your preferred format, and within seconds, your download is complete. Fast, flexible, and extremely convenient for creators who need. Ready to use music instantly. Now, let's talk about the Write Lyrics feature. This one's a game changer. Click on Write Lyrics, and then describe your lyrics idea in detail. You can include the theme, mood, language, or style, whatever you're going for. I'll enter my prompt here. Once you're ready, just click Generate, and the lyrics creation process starts instantly. Within moments, your custom lyrics are generated based on your description. Now here's where it gets interesting. Once your lyrics are ready, you can copy them from here, then go back to the main home screen and click on Create Lyrics Song. Simply paste your lyrics into the input box. This allows you to turn your written lyrics into a professional, high-quality, AI-generated song. I'll paste the lyrics here and click Generate. As you can see, the generation process has already started. Within just a few seconds, your song will begin generating and will be ready shortly. Now, after the music has been generated, let's play it once and listen to the result.
Morning breaks on frozen fields. Still you keep your word to me. Every breath a borrowed gift, every step your mercy leads. Shadows linger on my path, yet you're...
Listen to that. You can clearly hear the quality of the generated music. It sounds highly professional and truly comparable to studio-level production. Over on the side panel, you can also see the complete lyrics displayed in sync with the song as it plays. And when you're ready to use it, downloading the track is extremely simple. Now, let's explore the Generate Style feature. This one's really interesting. I'll enter a simple prompt here and click Generate. What this tool does is take your basic prompt and convert it into a professionally styled and formatted description. Think of it as an AI-powered music director helping you craft the perfect sound. This styled format is incredibly useful when you're creating custom music or videos because it gives you a ready-made style preset that you can use over and over again. Here's how it works. When you go to create a custom video or song, you'll find a style option. Can simply copy this generated style from here and paste it right into that section. After that, you can add your own lyrics if you want. Then select your vocal type, male, female, or random, whatever fits your vision. And finally, click Create. This entire process allows you to produce a fully customized, professional quality song with your own lyrics, your own style, and your preferred vocal choice. You're essentially building a song from the ground up, but without needing any technical music production skills. Let's preview it a bit.
Morning breaks on frozen fields. Still you keep your word to me. Every breath a borrowed gift, every step your mercy leads. Shadows linger on my path.
Look, I'm genuinely blown away by what we just created. We went from zero to a fully produced, professional-sounding song in literally minutes. And the craziest part? We did it all just by having a conversation with AI. No music degree required, no complicated software, just you, your creativity, and Tunesona. If you're a content creator who's tired of copyright strikes or constantly searching for the perfect background music that never quite fits your vision, this is your solution. You now have the power to create unlimited, original songs that you own forever. So here's what I need you to do. If this tutorial opened your eyes to what's possible, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this with any creator friends who are struggling with music for their content. I've dropped the Tunesona link in the description and pinned it in the comments. Go try it out for yourself. Create something. That's it for this one. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll catch you in the next video.